Welcome back to the Reidel Law Firm YouTube and Odyssey channel. Today I want to chat about what are parallel imports, or what's commonly referred to as gray market goods. So gray market goods in its most basic form is branded goods. So items with a trademark, a logo, some type of a brand on it. These are typically, at least when I've dealt with it, are usually luxury items that are like on the top of this frontline battle of gray market. So it's a good that is branded, that is legitimately created, right? And that is imported into a market and sold without the trademark owner's consent. So what that means is maybe you are buying secondhand Gucci products or some other luxury brand in Italy or France, wherever they're based out of, or something. Maybe they have special stores there or something. I don't know. Say you buy it there, you buy 10 or 100 things there because you can't get them to the U.S., and you ship them or bring them to the United States to sell them. That is a gray market import, right? Even though you bought it legitimately, even though it is not counterfeit, it is a gray market import because you importing it for commercial purposes may not be permitted by Gucci, right? And they have pretty tight controls from what I understand, from what I've seen. If you're not licensed to import Gucci products to the United States, customs and the United States government can block your import because it is a gray market import, right? That doesn't mean it's counterfeit. It can still be legitimate. It can still be a legitimate product that is not counterfeit. It is not fake. It is real. But if you don't have permission to import it to the United States under the license holder, Gucci International, whatever, then you can be blocked. You can have those goods detained and seized, and either you have to re-export them or they get destroyed, right? Which could be a pretty penny that you're going to be losing. So there's a lot of, I don't know if there's exact controversy, but there's a lot of battles around gray market goods, right? Because people buy them secondhand, right, and try to bring stuff to the United States and then get caught and then can't prove that they have the license to import it, those luxury products or whatever branded products, to the United States, and they get seized, right? Even though they were legitimately bought, they were legitimately manufactured. There's no counterfeits in it. It's difficult. It's difficult to deal with customs on this matter because they're very strict about it. And we've been on the losing end of some projects or some cases on this, unfortunately, because customs takes a very tough approach to intellectual property issues and violations. So, when our clients, they were just importing secondhand goods, got caught with some branded stuff that has special protections, and yeah, they didn't have permission from the license holder, obviously, because they bought it secondhand, and they were very clearly importing it for commercial purposes, right? It wasn't something they bought to wear. They bought it to sell it. And CBP would not release it. I don't recall if we re-exported it or got destroyed, but it did not get released. It was not going to be entered into the United States, unfortunately. So that's what gray market goods are. That's the challenges behind it. It's difficult. It's hard. If you are someone dealing in gray market goods, or you have an issue where you've had some gray market products that have been detained, please reach out. We love to chat with you, try to give you some counsel, or see if we can be of service to you. But it's a difficult area. You're kind of walking on coals, and you gotta walk fast with that kind of stuff. Because once you get dinged and get something detained or seized, you're gonna be on the list, right? And your imports in the future are going to be subject to closer scrutiny, and it might kill your business. It is painful, but it is true. So there are some ways to mitigate the risks. We can talk about that later. So reach out if we can be of service to you or assist you with any of your imports, or if you have concerns or questions about gray market matters, gray market goods. Love to chat with you, see if we can help you. This is Skylar Reidel with Reidel Law Firm, and we'll chat with you next time.